Chinki Drawing Arts! Today, we're drawing something blooming, bright, and full of cheer. It's a red flower in a pot. Grab your black marker and let's get started on this fantastic adventure.
Let's begin with the outline. Don't worry, just follow along with me step by step. Draw the first shape.
Let's draw these big, bright, and super cute eyes. They'll bring our drawing to life.
Now, at this curve here, great job! You're doing amazing! Who knew drawing could be this much fun, huh? Now, let's finish the rest of the shapes and details. Take your time, little artist. We're not in a race. There you go! Our outline is ready! Now comes the fun part. Let's go over the lines to make them bold and bright. Use your marker and trace slowly. Steady hands and proud hearts. It's coloring time! Are you ready to bring your art to life?
Red like apples, blue like sky, green like grass, so neon. Time for yellow color! It's sunny, happy, and full of sparkle. Color time, draw with me. Sun and moon and a buzzing bee. Dots and dashes, line by line. Red color, la la la, so bright, apple. Draw a fishy in the sea, then a flower or a tree. Color up from toe to top, we won't stop. Flip, flop, pop, up and down, side to side. Chinky
Wow,
make you smile
look
so
how
wide.
cool your
Draw
drawing
your
looks
dreams and
already.
draw your heart. You're the star of every art. Color time, yay, hooray. We make art in every way. Chinky's
Subscribe to Chinki Drawing Arts for more fun and easy drawings. Slow and smooth.
You must try this.
Ooh, look at those colors shine! It's looking better than ever! Are you smiling while drawing? I hope so. This is turning out to be so awesome!
Nice.
Let's add a little bit more. Just like that.
You're making this look so beautiful. Wow!
And you did it! Just look at your drawing. It's bright, it's bold, and it's beautiful. Just like you. Give yourself a high five. You worked so hard, and it totally shows. Before we go, don't forget to share your artwork with someone you love, make them smile today, and hit that thumbs up if you had fun drawing with me. See you soon, little artists. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep shining. Bye-bye.